Hi everyone, so this unboxing that we're doing is it's for a ball head. It's a Geehope, you see them online. I bought this on Amazon. It's supposed to be brand new. We'll have a look in a second, but from the package looks like it's been taped back up or sent back, so we'll see when we get it open. Okay, let's have a look. So yeah, it's a little ball head for a tripod with an ARCA mount. This is probably going to be like a puzzle, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so you get an adapter from down to a quarter with an Allen wrench, so you can put that in. That's something new. I haven't seen a ball head come with a bag before, but anyway, let's have a look. Okay, well, despite the box, maybe it got a bit roughed up in travel, but it doesn't look like it's been used to me. But anyway, so yeah, it's just a standard ARCA mount, just a small plate here. Pretty simple stuff. Wind that in and out. Locking knob. Now, yeah, okay. So this is probably for the base. Yeah, so you can adjust how freely this is to adjust the friction on the bottom. This one's to adjust the ball, but what I noticed with this when I was buying it, and I haven't seen this before, so I haven't opened it, is sometimes when you've got these on your tripod or you're mounting it, or you've even got it on a table like what I've got here, sometimes the clamp, you can't tighten it up because of something in the way. Anyway, this is, yeah, okay, so it's spring loaded, so you can move that around. Yeah, that's good, and that feels quite, that spring loaded part feels quite good. So yeah, you can move that, loosen it, tighten it. So you could put that, say, there, and loosen it, tighten it from there. So you can get various angles, and anyway, that looks quite good. I'll be trying this out. Oh, it's got a bubble level there. Well, I don't know how useful that'd ever be, but anyway, I'll be trying this out. If I find anything that's weird or controversial or worth saying anything about, I will come back and do another video and link it to this one. I have bought ball heads in the past. I'm not from this person, but not from these people. But after using it for a day, for some reason the thing's jammed up or they fall apart. So it does happen. You can always get a bad one, I suppose, from anybody, but this looks quite good. The price wasn't very high. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it really was quite cheap, I think, considering it has not just the ball head, but also the plates and the holder and everything. So yeah, that's it. Geehope. I'll put a link later in the description, probably from Amazon, and yeah, I'll let you know if there's anything to say after this. Thanks for watching.